पिट्ठू का गेम तो आप सभी ने कभी ना कभी खेला ही होगा, मगर आज वो कहीं खोते जा रहा है। बच्चे उसे भूलते जा रहे हैं। तो आज मैं आप लोगों को मिलवाने वाली हूँ एक ऐसी शख्सियत से जिन्होंने पिट्ठू के गेम को रिवाइव किया है, और ना सिर्फ रिवाइव, रीडिफाइन भी किया है। जी हाँ, आई एम इन कन्वर्सेशन विद मिस्टर कमल डोगरा।
Today, the children are more into mobility, more into electronic world. They are not getting the proper, what we can say, the space to play basically. तो ट्रेडिशनल गेम अपने आप में एक ऐसी गेम्स होती थी जो कि जिनको ना तो स्पेस की ज़रूरत है, जहाँ चाहो जब दिल करे तब खेलो, जितनों का मन करे उतने खेलो. तो एवरीबडी यूज टू गेट टुगेदर एंड प्ले द गेम. ट्रेडिशनल गेम गेट टुगेदर मीन्स अ यूनिटी लेवल. तो ट्रेडिशनल गेम यूनिटी लेवल जनरेट करती थी. ट्रेडिशनल गेम्स आपका हेल्थ ऑटोमेटिकली ठीक करती थी. There are various things which were behind traditional games. So my basic thing was to how should I go and bring back all the traditional games explode, and the children, especially the children from the rural, who are not in a position to pay for some sports activity or such thing like that, but they have an extreme potential. People are running after cricket, people are running after football, people are running after hockey. What about our traditional games? Anybody has thought about exploring them in a proper way? Whether it's a media, whether it's a government, whether it's people engaged with the sports, have they ever thought to take them at that level where today the other sports are? So when searching out बहुत सी चीज़ें, बहुत सी गेम्स को टेस्ट करके देखा, dedicated my 14 years to get one of the game which can explore the world of sports, which can shackle the world of sports. So ultimately, after seeing the viewership, after seeing the national sport, after seeing the rural, after seeing the underprivileged, urban, everyone, so then discovered and redefined the game Pittu. Pittu as, because Pittu is the name, Pittu is a game which is familiar all over world in the Indian community. And everybody is well aware what the game Pittu was. So it was easy for the people to catch. Then various pilot episodes, various pilot events, various pilot matches took place to see whether this game can become an upcoming venture also. That was also an impact to make Pittu a sports venture.
You have designed a concept, you want to stage it, but then what are the initiatives you are taking?
Now, as per the flow of the game is now the main thing is that now the game needs a proper platform to show itself. So we have started the game flowing as per state level competitions, then district level competitions, then we have officiated Anganwadi sector competition, we have officiated, now the Trucks Association is coming up to play the game. Moreover, we have been got the blessings hands of Sandeep Marwar sir, who is now taking to have a competition in the media line. Let the media also people, why the people, the main impact was this also, why the people are taking initiative to promote this game. One of the most major impact is to come out of stress and have some time to have fun. Right. Half an hour removing from all your stressful mind, from all your hypertensions, all your ill healths, what best or moreover you can want. So the game, which has been designed now in a new format, has 3 E's in it basically. The first E is an enthusiasm. The second E is an excitement. Third E is an empowerment. Fourth E is an enjoyment. And fifth E, the most important, is the employment. Rural youth today also is seeking for the employments in various sectors, but they are not getting the proper platform to show their powers. So this is a game which is going to show their powers through sports. Not only this also game is the most important factor now, because it is also, we are trying to reduce some part of the gender inequality also. It is a game which is coming as co-ed. It is not just a man's game or female's fine. So, and also been designed as an international viewership. Why the people of world should see and should adopt this game to play.
That's very true. Thanks for talking to us, and we wish you a very good luck for your initiative. Thank you.
Thank you.
So, guys, if you want to experience all these powerful E's in your life, play Pittu. That's all for today in today's talk. I, Shreya Katyal, sign off for the day, but I'll be back with another amazing event and celebrity guest for you. Till then, you keep watching MS TV, Har Pal Aapke Saath, and don't forget to stay connected.